Candace, and Padfoot's over here chilling out. The train, he's back on the tranquilizers, and the vet put him back on, so he's sleeping. He's kind of chilling out. Anyway, I've had this box for a while. God, my face is itchy because being sick. I've had this box for a while that I just haven't had a chance to open. You know, being sick from exhaustion from moving, and then Days of the Dead, and then being sick again. So I wanted to get this open. And I already know what's in it because Neil and I looked. But back last month when I opened the 3 cases of the Funko Series 3 horror minis, I was looking. I had gotten almost all of them except Patrick Bateman from American Psycho and Twisty a Clown from American Horror Story. And well, and of course the 3 Hot Topic ones, but these cases actually came from Entertainment Earth, I believe, not Hot Topic, so I'm still looking for those. But from the original, just regular set, I needed Patrick Bateman and Twisty a Clown. Well, Raymond Ptak reached out to me on my G3 Facebook page and said he had an extra Twisty the Clown and didn't want to do a trade for anything, but he already had all the horror minis, so he was just going to send me Twisty and I would make him a box or whatever. So that's what we did, and I've already sent him his stuff. He's already gotten it. So but I've already opened his box, and I love how he duct taped it. It's purple. Love purple. My allergies killing me, folks. So, but it was very hard to get open. Here's the goodies. Hold it from spilling out. Here's his note. Candace, here is the mini as well as a few other things, and even something for Padfoot. Hope you enjoyed, your friend Raymond Ptak. So we've got some yummies for Padfoot. He sent me some high chews. I love these things. They're rough on my sensitive teeth, but they're strawberry, and I love strawberry. They're so good. He sent me so You Won't Stand a Chance, and it's from Halloween Horror Nights. Lanyard. I love lanyards. I really want to go there one day. And he sent me one of these syringe pens. I love these things. And here is the mini, which is so awesome. And it was a lot bigger and more detailed than I expected. But he's so cool. I love him. I love these horror minis. I didn't get any of the first series because, again, I got into the Funko game late, and I started my YouTube channel 2 years ago, so I didn't get any of the first horror minis. And from the second series, I only got 5, I think. I got Shaun from Shaun of the Dead, The Fly, Frankenstein's Monster, Oh, and I have a Cthulhu, and the regular Alfred Hitchcock. Those are the only ones I have. So to pretty much have almost a complete series of Series 3 is absolutely amazing. So once I score Patrick Bateman, I'll have the original set, and maybe eventually I can focus on getting the 3 Hot Topic exclusives that I didn't get. But thank you, Raymond, for helping me get Twisty. So I really wanted Twisty. Patrick Bateman isn't a big deal, just because I'm trying to collect a set. But of the 2 that I had left to get that I really wanted, I wanted Twisty, because I wanted Twisty. He was one, next to Alex from Clockwork Orange, he was one that I really wanted, because Freak Show has been my favorite of the American Horror Story series. So thank you so much, Raymond, for sending me Twisty. He's awesome. But that is it for us. Well, for me, he's out. He's in Goma Land. But be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the little notification bell below to get notified when we've got new content posted on our channel. That's it for us. Peace.